So then Audrey, when I did the other day, some woman come in. So she trans and I must call her Carla.
So what the problem?
We say, but tell her see a John must sip on the birth paper and a John me a call her.
But Rochelle, that not right. You dead name the woman. You use a name that the woman herself stop identify with long time.
What you say? What you forgive me the wrong? Is it must sip on the birth paper?
Listen here. Don't Cynthia see your name on your birth certificate? You say one tell me that when people call you Cynthia your skin crawl because a Rochelle everybody call you from you know yourself.
Stop it man Audrey, that's different.
How it different now? You identify better with Rochelle and she identify better with Carla, not the same thing.
If you put it that way, they're for true. When you check it out, enough Jamaicans didn't even know the name on the birth paper. A Jesus and common enchant make some people know that the name of people call them a road. It's just not the same on the birth paper.
You same one come here first day and tell everybody to call you Rochelle. Make none of we ever call you Cynthia. We would hear the end of it.
Thanks Audrey. I really understand better now.
Yeah man. Trans Jamaicans are just Jamaicans like all of we.
Next topic. Yesterday I never come work. Me I tell you say I feel